Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today, before we start our recipe, I just want to mention this is going to be our last regular recipe going into October. I've got some exciting Disney and Universal Studios recipes lined up that are a little bit more holiday-ish. We got spooky season coming up real quick, so we'll be switching over to some of those delicious treats and drinks. We're going to make some cocktails and mocktails, as well as some delicious recipes. So look forward to seeing those. If you want to make sure you don't miss them, hit the like and subscribe button. That way you're sure to know when we put those up. For today's recipe, I'll be doing strawberry soup from 1900 Park Fair at Disney's Grand Floridian. To get started, I have put some frozen thawed strawberries in my blender. Now you're going to notice I have other frozen thawed strawberries sitting here. I can't fit in my blender all of them that are supposed to be in here, so I'm going to kind of pulse these down a little bit. We're going to get the rest of the strawberries in there and then the rest of the ingredients, and then we'll work from there. So let's just hit our pulse. Helps if I turn the power on first. Okay, that should have bought us some room so we can get the rest of the stuff in here working. This is a very easy recipe. I won't be able to talk much because most of it is blending. You put in frozen thawed strawberries. Boy, I can't say that today. Sour cream. Plain yogurt. And then a whole bunch of heavy whipping cream. And I mean a lot. We're going all in with this container. And now we're just going to blend this until it all comes together and it's a smooth consistency. Okay, this is one of those recipes that I know some people either love or hate. My family personally loves this. We look forward to it. From here, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into my refrigerator. I'm going to let it chill for about 15 minutes. And then I'm supposed to give it a little shake before we serve it. So I'll probably actually just pop it back on here, give it a quick few pulses, and then we're ready to go. So I'll see you back here in about 15 minutes. And welcome back. It's been 15 minutes. I pulled it out of my pitcher out of the refrigerator. I've popped it back on my base. I'm going to pulse it a couple of times, and then we're going to serve it up and get a garnish on it. I think that's probably pretty well stirred. I'm going to grab my bowl. I'm going to grab this off of here. Pop open the lid so we can get a good pour, hopefully. Nice and thick. It was definitely not that thick before we chilled, so that's a beautiful thing. I'm gonna get this bowl nice and full. Okay, and there's that. Try to get all the drips contained, and that one's gonna go anyway. I'll put that off to the side. Now I've just got a strawberry here, a fresh strawberry. Then I'm going to use the garnish. I'm going to leave the stem intact to kind of hold it in place. And I'm just going to go and I'm going to do thin slices right up to almost the top of the strawberry. I know it's hard to see because I'm cutting through the red. And then when I'm done, I'm going to just use my fingers to fan it out and put it right on top. And there you have it. Strawberry soup. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And until next time.